We are here with Tiffani Thiessen, a wonderful person who I am actually very, very excited.
You're so sweet.
I was like fangirling in the back. I was like,
gosh.
I used to watch her every day after school. We're very excited to have you here to play Rachel's Roulette.
I love to play games.
I told everybody that I would start doing this. We played one of the very first games that we played was with Chrissy Metz, and she came up with a theme song for it.
Okay.
So
you're gonna sing it to me?
Bear with me.
Okay, got it.
We're about ready to play Rachel's Roulette. Rachel's Roulette. And that's
it.
Thank you.
I like it. I like it.
Okay, so the basis of the game is give it a spin,
Yep.
and we'll let you do whatever is on there.
Okay, got it. Gosh, I love the rainbow. All right, rumor has it.
Rumor has it. What is the craziest thing that you've ever heard about yourself?
That I died. I mean, it's kind of crazy.
That you died?
Yeah.
Was there like a reason that you died?
Not really. I don't know. I couldn't find it anywhere else. It was just one channel. Thought I died. Yep.
That's a good one.
It's a good one, right? A little morbid, but it's good.
Alrighty, if you want to go ahead and spin again. Rachel's Roulette.
Okay.
Food plate.
A food plate.
This is,
It's so much fun. Okay.
Okay, so you can pick from any of these colors.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna go quick, and I'm gonna do it in one color.
Make your favorite food out of it, and then I'm going to try to guess
it.
what the heck you've made.
Actually, make it. It comes in different shapes and sizes, though.
Ooh.
Okay.
So you're throwing me off already. All right, I like that.
I think this might be the easiest. I pair this with wine.
Now I'm really nervous. Oh! Cheese.
Yes.
What's your favorite kind of cheese?
All cheese.
Good answer, good answer. Okay, one more spin for us, please.
One more. Bust a move.
Bust a move, okay.
Oh my gosh, I have so many.
What is your absolute, like, go-to dance move at a wedding, at a party, any sort of...
Depends on how much I've had to drink. But if I've had a few cocktails,
yeah,
you want
like
that one?
a couple drinks, you're feeling good. A good song comes on that you really like.
Yeah, right?
I can't.
No,
can I,
the chest
like,
out,
the
out, in. There you go!
Thank you so much for playing with us. Until we spin again, this has been Tiffani Thiessen for Rachel's Roulette. Thanks for playing with us.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.